Hey, adventure seekers, ready to shake up your weekend? Let me take you on a whirlwind tour of the coolest outdoor activities you can dive into right here in Qatar. First up, how about hitting the trails? Qatar's nature reserves and parks are packed with scenic paths perfect for hiking or just a chill nature walk. The air's fresher, the views are epic, and you just might spot some local wildlife if you keep your eyes peeled. Now for a classic move, pack up your favorite snacks and find a shady spot for a picnic at one of Qatar's gorgeous parks. Trust me, food just hits different when you're outdoors, surrounded by palm trees and good company. If you're craving a bit of greenery, don't skip the botanical gardens. You'll be amazed at how many vibrant flowers and unique plants are tucked away in the heart of the desert. And if you're feeling playful, swing by the local zoo for some up-close animal encounters. Always a crowd pleaser. Feeling adventurous? Time to hit the water. Grab a kayak, paddleboard, or canoe and glide across the serene waters of the Pearl or Qatar Beach. It's the perfect way to soak up the sun and maybe spot a few fish beneath your feet. Of course, exploration doesn't stop there. Jump in the car and cruise through a nearby town or along a scenic drive. There's always something new to discover just beyond the city lights. And if you love a good breeze, rent a bike and ride along a boardwalk or nature trail. Whether you're racing your friends or just coasting, there's nothing like the wind in your hair and the open road ahead. So, what are you waiting for? Qatar's wild side is calling. Grab your gear, a couple of buddies, and make your next weekend unforgettable.